So we had a blocked land drain and we've dug down with the digger, found out where it was, dug a ditch out. Just got to repair it, but it's too wet to get down in there. We're going to wait for it to dry out a bit. There's about thousands of litres a minute coming out. Yeah, so we dug down to it there. It's there's so much water coming out that we're just going to leave it to run till it dries up a bit. This isn't going to be planted till the spring linseed, this field, so yeah, we thought we'd make this little gully ditch out while we were doing it, takes the pressure off. I had a rainy day, so I had half a day and the machine was here, thought I'd get it dug.
So we're back 2 days later to finish repairing the land drain. It's dried up a bit and we can finally get it done.
That's it, we connected it all back up, dug the ditch out, it's running, pipes in. Soil's a bit wet, but we level it in the spring. So just come to check on that field, see if it's dry enough to drill with second wheat. Just noticed the badgers have been doing a bit of inter-row hoeing, getting the slugs. Don't think they're damaging the wheat, they're just going between in the rake chaff. Going between the rows in the rake chaff. It must be for slugs or bugs or worms. But yeah, it's not really damaging the wheat. I don't think it's doing any harm. It's a lovely morning. Field's nearly dry enough. We might get it tomorrow. See what it's like again this afternoon. So this is some that was drilled at about 110 kilos. And this is what I was on about, how well it tillers. Look, one plant, and what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 tillers off of one seed. So nice healthy root. It's looking really good. Couldn't ask for better. It's been really warm this week. It's almost looking like it's end of February, early March.
So the light that was here was broken. Thought I'd wire an LED one on and just wanted to check it worked. And there you go, it worked.
Just got gonna put new gate posts in and rehang these gates. Yeah. Hey. really, if it's that side.
Oh, look. Such a boy, aren't you?
How cosy is he?
Oh. Johnny.
Just checking no one's driven in the field last night because we left the gate open. So we put new posts in, and I thought all posts are the same. If you look, it was on wooden posts. I need to drill this, move it down so it fits. Nice.
You're getting too big this side, are you?
I think that'll go through now. Do you want to test it? Third drill to get through. Perfect. Hope you measured it right. Down your end. Down a bit more. Down your end. A bit more. Up your end. Got it. And after a big struggle, we've fitted the 2 gates. And there you have it, the 2 gates are in. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.